Hi guys, welcome to Let's Talk with Kim. Today I'm going to be showing you Peppermint by Belle Tress in one of their new colors, Strawberry Shortcake. Hi guys, stay tuned till the end because I'm going to also be showing you Peppermint in another new color, Silver Needle.
I've been waiting for this. It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind.
Hey my friends, welcome. So here I am wearing Peppermint in their new shade Strawberry Shortcake. And when I was telling you guys not too long ago that I'm ready to step out of my comfort zone again, just keep on stepping out. It's the fun of it, it's the excitement, it's the joy of it. And I've stepped out again. I just stepped right on out and I did the Strawberry Shortcake. And I have to say, I like it. It is just as good as the cake itself. I'm just saying. She's pretty. She is really pretty. Now, this color is not going to be for everyone. I know that. But I want to at least show this color. So if anyone is interested in it, you can see it. And she's pretty. I like her. Personally, I like her. She has just enough blonde going around the front here. And Peppermint actually reminds me a little bit of my bio hair. Not the color, the style, and she's fine. The fibers are really, really fine and thin. There is no permatease in this one. And this is what my bio hair would look like if I could grow the bangs here out around here. This is exactly what my bio hair would look like. So it makes me happy. It makes me happy to feel like it's my hair, you know. So this Peppermint has a beautiful lace front, a left mono part. She's open wefted on the sides and in the back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of her cap.
It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. And for a moment, I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Oh, now it's my time now. Oh, now when I look back, it's like it's another game that I'm playing now. 'Cause it's finally here, finally, yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause it's finally here, finally, yeah. Ooh. I've been staring again, gazing at the night sky, and even though it's the same, it feels like I got new eyes. Oh, now the hard time's over, and for a moment, I won't look back now.
Okay, so Peppermint also has heat-friendly fibers. She has an average size cap that actually this one would fit someone with a larger head. You know, it'd fit them because I have a petite average. I'm right in between, as I've told you guys, and you know, I've got a lot of movement here. So, and the coverage here on the sides is awesome. Awesome coverage. It goes all the way down here. I love that. So if you wanted to pull her away from your face, you could. It's got those dark roots. It looks just natural. I mean, because nobody's really going to be born with this color hair. So those roots make it look like, yeah, she went to a high-end salon, had her hair done, and she got some roots growing back. Let's go ahead and take a look at her all the way around. I like her a lot. The fibers are super soft, and with heat-friendly fibers, I guess if you wanted to go in there and throw some curl in, you can. But I wanted to show you guys her right out of the box, and I cut the tag and literally put her on my head before I did anything to her. I'm not going to put any product, but I'm going to go and try to put some synthetic safe hairspray in her and see if I can give her a little lift. And you know, you pair this wig with the bright outfit, which I have scarves and everything on today because I am so cold. But you do that, and with a little lift, a little style, she's cute. Oh my gosh, I love Peppermint. She's cute. She really, really is cute. Love her. Love her a lot. Alright guys, so I have another Peppermint. Yeah, my rooster is hearing me talk, and he's loving it. He's just loving it. I record in my garage, and my chickens, I let them out, and they're all around, and if they can hear my voice through the door, he wants my attention. So that's it. That's a country life right there. But anyways, I loved Peppermint so much that I have gotten her here in the other new color that Belle Tress put out in the silver needle. Yes. Oh my word. I really, really loved her in the Strawberry Shortcake. I love her. But, gosh, do I need to go get my rooster? But this color is so pretty. It's sophisticated, and I love Peppermint. I love this beautiful hair. It is thin and fine, as I said before. So if you're not crazy about, you know, finer, thinner hair, this one's not going to be for you. It's for me. I love it because it's like my bio hair. My bio hair feels just like this. As I said, if I could grow my bangs like this, but that's where my hair loss is mostly, is here in the front. So I can't grow it no matter how hard I try. I mean, I feed it good and stuff, but it just won't grow. But anyways, so thankful for wigs. So this color, silver needle. I don't know where they get the name. It's, maybe because it's thin and it's kind of silver. I don't know, but silver needle is really, really pretty. And first thing I did is I have another Belle Tress wig. I have 3 now. I have 2 Peppermint, and I have my balance wig in the color Butterbeer Blonde. And I thought, wonder how they compare. When I first got this one, I knew it was lighter. Once I got it out, I was like, yeah, oh yeah, that's lighter, and I like it. Oh, it's going to be so pretty in the summer and comfortable because it's fine, it's thin, and has lots of movement. Although I may throw some curl in her, or the other one, the Strawberry Shortcake. One of them, I may try some curl. I don't know. But I wanted to show you guys the Butterbeer Blonde compared to this Silver Needle. So if you are a fan of this color, just know this one is going to be lighter. And the roots are almost about the same, I guess. This one may be a little bit darker, but it is on a lighter base here. I mean, a lighter color. So it may look darker. I don't know. But just to compare the Butterbeer Blonde to the Silver Needle, so you guys can kind of get an idea. Yeah. There's a difference. There is a difference. There is some of that beautiful light blonde going through here, but it's Butterbeer for a reason. It's got like that beer color going through there. And this is Silver Needle. So anyways, guys, I'm so happy that I got her in this color, because this is most definitely, I'm gonna go get my rooster, but this is most definitely right up my alley. This color, I love her. I love her. Let me do a spin and show you guys her all the way around. Love me some Peppermint. She's pretty. She's really, really pretty. So with that being said, sending you all big hugs and kisses. And also, if you're interested in this one or any other style, check out NameBrandWigs. Check them out, guys. You can use the coupon code KIM30 and save 30% off. There are some exclusions that apply. Check in my description box which brands that code is good for. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. My rooster hears me talking. Oh my goodness. 'Cause it's finally